Hi everybody, this is Randy from Randy's Crafty Creations, and I wanted to come to you today with a stamp that I don't think gets enough attention out of the annual catalog. So it is a stamp here that says Happy Birthday. If you look in your catalog, it is on page 80. It's right here. It's called Stylized Birthday. I don't know how many times I passed it over and passed it over and passed it over, and then my friend Jen and I were out to lunch one day going through the catalog, looking at different ideas for different classes we wanted to teach. And we came across this stamp, and it's not something I normally would buy because it says wood block included, and I don't use wood mount stamps because they just take up a lot of room. So, and for me, I need to see where I'm going to stamp a little clearer, so the wood kind of distorts it for me. So anyway, it's $10, which, my goodness, for the possibilities is ridiculously inexpensive, and mine's on an acrylic block. So what I did is I got the stamp. It came in the box with the stamp and the block to mount it on. And it came with the sticker. I put the sticker on the stamp. I used a little bit of my snail adhesive. And now my stamp sticks to my acrylic block. And I'm happier because I can see closer to it. It's not a wood block. So when I store it, I just peel it back off of here. See, it's got the adhesive on it. I peel it back off and I put it in the stamp case. So now the stamp is totally usable for someone that doesn't want wood blocks, which is perfect. So I just want to show you a couple simple cards that we made. So my friend Jen made these for an event that we did this weekend. Okay, and aren't those pretty and simple, male or female? This one, we made a whole stack of these to donate to one of our local churches for letting us use their space. There's this one, isn't that cute? And that's with our Peekaboo Peach crinkled ribbon, and that's retiring the end of May. And then there's that one. So many different things you can do with this one stamp. So many possibilities. And this one, and this is the one that we're going to do today together. So let me put this away for just a second. All right, let me move those aside. So today we're using that Stylized Birthday stamp set. We're going to use Marina Mist cardstock. It's a sheet of 8.5 by 11, cut in half, and then scored at 4 1/4 for our card base. I also cut one out with my scalloped circle, and then I cut the medallion out of our stitched shape dies. I love these. I don't know if you can see the little stitching in there, but I just love the look. I'm using a piece of paper from our Sweet Soiree Designer Series paper pack. That is in our occasions catalog. It's item number 145564. So many pretty papers in here, and some great colors. We're using a piece of Calypso Coral. I'm sorry, this piece is cut 3 3/4 by 5. This piece is cut 4 by 5 1/4. Okay, and that's how we'll layer them together when we're done stamping. So easy card because we're only doing one stamp. We're going to use some dimensionals, some Marina Mist ink. We are going to use some of our 1/8 inch silver ribbon. Okay, and if you're looking for that, that is on page 198 of the catalog. It's right here, and it's $5 for the spool of ribbon. I've had mine for a while. It really goes a long way. So we're going to go ahead and do that. All right. I was thinking about using the metallic edge ribbon, but it was thicker than what I had wanted it to be. So we'll go ahead and we'll use this one. So let's go ahead and get started. Since it is a red rubber stamp that I have now made into a clear mount, we don't need any foam or anything to stamp on. So real quick, we're just going to open our Marina Mist ink, ink up our stamp. See how nice it stays on the block with the snail? Make sure we've got ink on it. I'm going to stamp it right into the center. Nice. All right, that's it. Now we're just going to put our card together. Super, super easy. If you need to make a whole bunch of birthday cards, this is the best stamp to do that with. Because again, just keep changing your background paper, and you will be changing, you know, whether it's for male, female, small child, you know, totally interchangeable. So useful. All right, we're going to go ahead and stick that on there. Nice. Let's go ahead and put our card together. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere these two pieces together first. Actually, I'm going to do my ribbon around this one first. I just looked at my other card. I'm going to get a little kitchen tape over here. And I'm going to attach my ribbon to the back of my designer series paper with a piece of kitchen tape. Come on, stay there. There we go. Really? Okay. It's thin and I miss it with my nail. All right. So I'm just going to go across like this. I'm going to make an X. Go across like that. I'll go ahead and tape it. And let me go ahead and cut it. All right, so we've got that piece taken care of. Now let me go ahead and get my snail. I'm going to attach this piece to my Calypso coral. Let me go ahead and attach that to this. Okay. Fast fuse instead to attach this piece. To my card base. All right. Awesome. And I'm going to grab some dimensionals, put them on the back. I'm going to put 2 on the top of the happy birthday, 2 on the bottom. I'm not going to have anything in the middle because it's going to go across that ribbon, so there's already going to be height there. Peel those pieces off. All right. And center that. And voila. There we go. Quick and simple birthday card using that stylized happy birthday stamp, some ink, and you're good to go. All the different possibilities, male, female, anything you want. Love the stamp. Glad I found it in the catalog. Hope it continues on to our next one. Our new catalog comes out in June. But nice, quick, easy way to make a whole bunch of birthday cards. So again, I'll go ahead and link all the products that I used at the bottom of this video. If you have any questions, you can email me, randycollins.247@gmail.com. You can shop directly on my page at randycollins.stampinup.net. Check out my Facebook page, Randy's Crafty Creations, for all kinds of other samples and inspiration that I haven't made videos on, but you might like to see. So again, thanks for watching. This is Randy from Randy's Crafty Creations, and have a great day.